everyone, Strange Incident is here and back with some new and crazy footage, so keep watching. He must be having a great dream to sound like this. When you hear a recording of you snoring, who would have guessed that this little puppy would turn into this big dog? Love this animal. When you try to be cute but then burp. Hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen so far in this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out these junior videos, you might enjoy them as well. Later!